Hi guys, it's Rinka here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this series, actually it's a whole series, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my experiences navigating Nigerian food in Canada. So for those who do not know, I've actually lived in Canada for 17 years. That's a long time. I don't know why people always think I live in the UK, but no, I came here for university when I was about 18 and then decided to stay. So I actually live in Prairie, Canada, which is in like Western Canada. So I lived in Calgary for a bit, and then I've primarily lived in Saskatchewan for the entire time that I've been here. So this series will actually just address my time navigating food and how you guys can kind of go about, shopping with. You go for shopping, some things that I buy, which stores I go to for specific items, and of course how to save money when you're shopping as well. So if you're new in Canada, or you came here as a student and you didn't really have to cook because you live on res, when you actually start going out, venturing out to cook for yourself, you realize that buying Nigerian food can sometimes be really, really expensive, especially if you're only going to like one store. So I typically would navigate different stores, right? So I go to like conventional grocers like Superstore, Walmart, Costco, and there are items that I buy there specifically. And then I'll go to like Asian market. Of course, I go to like my Nigerian store. I have 2 Nigerian stores. It used to be just 1, but now I have 2, which is awesome. In terms of like finding some core items like gari, for example, is something that the only place you find gari is the Nigerian food store. But when it comes to like things like beans, there are other options, and there are stores that you can kind of go to get them. When it comes to things like vegetables, there's stores that you can kind of go to get them and really help you in terms of 1, diversifying your family's diet, and 2, not spending too much money. Food is expensive in general, but sometimes because we're really connected to that like Nigerian identity, and we want to continue to eat Nigerian food, sometimes it can be really difficult and expensive. So in this series I'm going to be talking about how I navigate buying fruit, how I navigate buying vegetables, how I navigate buying meat, where I go to find like grains like rice and beans, a whole host of things. So definitely join me. I am looking forward to carrying you guys along. All right.